Hello friends, this is Manoj Mittal. Today I'm going to talk about what is PowerApp Copilot. PowerApp Copilot is an AI powered assistant for building the Microsoft Power Apps, right? And it leverages AI to assist you in design, building, optimizing the Power App quickly and efficiently. If we'll talk about the key features of the Power App Copilots, which we are going to use, so it's help in code assistance. So it can be taken as a design assistant, data integration assistance, workflow automations, optimizations, and moreover, natural language integrations when we are typing in a natural way. So it will just start responding the answers, right, and help the other key features. So today I'm going to take an example of one of the Excel file, what business is having the legacy applications. And once we select it, how it will build automatically schema creations is going to done, and fully functional responsive app is also get created. And on top of that, we can add the Copilot as a control into the Power App applications and start using it, right? So let's see how we can achieve this in a couple of minutes. So I'm in the the Power App platforms in my Copilot environment. If you don't have Copilot environment, you can set up as a trial version for you, right? Still, it is in preview. You can go to the settings, click on the admin center. You will land it on this screen. Select the environment, click on new. Here you can give the name of your environment, like anything you want to give. You can select the reasons as a United State, and you can select add as a data verse and click on next. Once you're done, you will come up, your environment will be available for 30 days, which you can play around the features of the Copilot here. Right now, as I came on this screen back, click on the start with data. As I came into this screen, select upload the Excel file, select from the drive. So I have a test data which is exist. I selected the test data Excel file, which has a certain rows and column. So this approach, it will understand what type of data type I have. It's a text, it's a date field. It should be as a choice column. It will make it, it will understand and make those data type for us in the backend, right? And it's not only the schema, it will add the data also for us. All you can see here, all is start coming up. Now let's create on the app. Once we click on the app, what the database table it's a generated, right? So it will take that as a base, and it will create the entire Power App applications with all the CRUD operations. We can see all the records, we can search, add, edit new records, right? All operations can be done. So it will take a couple of more seconds, and we can see in actions, right? Now, yep, you can see here, if I run it, so entire database is there, right? All has came up. It's a ready to use applications. So if I come back here and I search something, search is working fine, which we need, right? So we can go ahead and click the create a new ticket here. So I just give random number. I'll give the severity as a high, status as a open. So I'll just give the name anything, ticket type investment. Once I click on save, so it will save the data, and my data has saved. It start appearing. So this is how it's easy to use it, right? This application. So let's go one more step further here, right? We can add one more screen. I clicked on screen, blank screen. We can add the Copilot control here. Right? So I selected Copilot is in preview. Let's add this control, and it's need a data source from where it's going to connect it, right? In your app, when the table has created ticket record, it's going to connect with the ticket records, right? So I can expand it a little bit if it's required. So let's run it, this particular applications, and see here. So we'll ask some of the questions, right? How many severity tickets we have? How many high severity? ticket we have. So it's use the GPT. So and just find out the answers for us. Like it's coming up with